What's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Betha. I'm really glad to have you here today, guys. I'm excited about this vlog because I'm doing something totally different from everything I've done here in Abuja. I don't even think I've done anything like this on my channel, and of course we didn't even know that days like this would ever come up. But guys, I'm going to the protesting grounds. Yes, I'm so excited. I've been really scared about going there and all of that because I've been hearing the whole brutality. Even while we're still protesting NSAS and SWAT, they're still beating people. But guys, I'm not going by myself today. I'm actually going with my friend Elochukwu. You guys know by now that Elochukwu owns Food Factory, and he's trying to do some kind of CSR. So basically we'll be going to the protesting ground today here in Abuja to give out about 100 packs of shawarma to protesters. I'm really excited about it. I feel like this is a good initiative for my friend. I'm excited because I finally get to shout NSAS and SWAT. We don't want any of this police brutality. Enough is enough, okay? I know I've made a video about this whole NSAS thing on my other channel, but I'm going there flesh and blood to shout NSAS and SWAT. I'm really excited. I'll definitely carry you guys along. Hopefully they don't break my head or something. I'll try to be safe. If water don't pass Gary, I go run enter our car mode, they turn back, okay? But regardless, I'll show you guys what everything looks like. I want to also show you guys what the shawarma looks like and all of that before we leave. Okay, so let's go. I'm excited. Guys, I'm with this he-goat, Mr. Food Factory. Can you stop moping? Do you always have to mop in all my videos? Are you mad? So this is the face behind Food Factory.
Hello.
Finally, you said hello on my channel. Wow. You're a he-goat. Now we they do CSR. Yeah. Can you guys see? So he already made a post and this thing trended on Twitter yesterday. We like free things. But yeah, I'm really excited for that. They're currently working on it. They're currently working on the shawarma, the rest of the team. So once it's ready now, we'll go to where the protesters are and give it out as well. I feel like this is good for your brand. Well done. Very nice. You have small sense. Sometimes you used to be like someone that have sense. Other times you don't have sense.
Small sense but bigger than yours.
Waka. Guys, I'm tired of this goat. Guys, yeah, we dey go find husband oh. All this was not a bring money come again. They say if we reach the protest ground, we'll see boyfriend. I go collect number. Emeka protest. Chinazo protest Abuja. Chidube protest.
Beggar version.
Guys, I'm actually
section. We are going to zone 4 section now.
Zone 4 boyfriend.
Yes.
We're going to see our Food Factory shawarma. We dey go serve food. And as they serve food, go see us. Mad! Guys, we're actually headed to the protest ground now. I'm with some members of Elo's staff and everything. Elo couldn't come with us, but I'm with some of his staff. So yeah, I will let you guys know when we get there. I'm really excited. Guys, Abuja is actually very pretty. Hey! So pretty. So we're almost at the protest ground. They're somewhere down there. We don't the trek see, so I don't the black. I don't know who said me oh. See them. guys, we're here.
The paper don't complete, the paper don't complete.
Where is this place? Where are we?
Wuse 2.
We're currently at Wuse 2. Just Wuse 2, yeah?
Yeah.
So guys, we're currently at Wuse 2. I had to, use my nose mask. I hope you guys can even hear me. Oh my god, it's crazy out here. We don't protest finish. We're stressed.
We're going home.
What? I don't come out to be the good head sass. Now we tell for the shout. I don't tire for you. Oh, don't stress.
We don't have strength for the protest anymore.
No, they are still there.
I hear most of my things.
They are still there. Guys, I beg. My power never reached like this. I'll continue online. No?
Yes, sir.
I'm not coming down. I just want to see where the train station is. Guys, I'm currently in front of the central mosque. I want to try and take a picture of this place. Like I said, I've been driving around Abuja today, so yeah, we're just driving. Okay, no talking, just driving. So yeah, let me quickly take a picture of this place and then I'll be out of here.
Yeah, I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose. If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days, losing my way?
So you don't offer me some places of chicken. You don't offer me some places of chicken.
Yes, but your face is not there.
Yeah,
I'm not putting your face.
you are a very, very nice woman. Because I'm
It's
going
just
some...
it's just the meat.
You say?
It's just the meat. It's not you, yeah.
Okay.
Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to, don't compromise you, 'cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to. Don't let them stop you from blooming. Questions and all they assuming. Even the dark side of moons can shine, but it'll take some time and you can find what you're looking for. You're a young star, you should be shooting for. Yeah. Don't take.
Thank you.
The video makes sense, man.
You want to watch it? Yes. Oh yeah, come on. I'm coming. Guys, I'm currently at Yahuza Suya spot. It's not so far from the Central Mosque and Silverbed. So just in case you're in Abuja and you want to check it out, I just got my beef suya. Guys, driving through Abuja was the sweetest thing ever. No traffic. No freaking traffic, guys. Even at this time of the night, if not Lagos, they don't bomb me with. But guys, I had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. At this point, I'm driving back to my apartment because your girl is tired. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you did enjoy it, please do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.